Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we will talk about how to fix JBL earbuds not turning on. Summarized explanation. Number 1. Remove protective film. For new earbuds, ensure any plastic film covering the charging contacts is removed to allow proper charging. Number 2. Charge the earbuds. Place the earbuds in the charging case and connect it to a power source using a verified working cable and adapter. Allow them to charge for at least 2 hours. Number 3. Clean charging contacts. Gently clean the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the case using a dry, soft cloth to remove any debris or residue. Number 4. Perform a hardware reset. With the earbuds in the charging case, press and hold the reset button on the case for more than 5 seconds. Number 5. Repair the earbuds. Remove both earbuds from the case. Tap the center button on each earbud 3 times simultaneously to force a new pairing between them. Thanks for watching.